Hello and a very good day to the evaluator that is watching. My name is DINNIEY RAZALI, and today I'm going to present my proposal. And my title will be Cloud-based encryption platform for Google Drive with post-quantum cryptography algorithm. My advisor will be Dr. Rashida Fadi. So first and foremost, I'm going to go through the problem background. In the contemporary era of digital transformation, the utilization of cloud computing technology has become more prominent, offering unparalleled convenience and accessibility for storing and accessible data remotely without needing a physical storage device. However, cybersecurity threats still seems to arise. Cloud-based storage service like Google Drive represent a prime target for cyber threat due to the huge volume of amount of data they host. A research conducted by Metomic using Google's annual report has shown that about 6.5 million Google Drive files that is about 40.2% contain sensitive data that could put an organization at a risk of a data breach or cybersecurity attack. For personal documented record, this relatively has a wealth of information susceptible to unauthorized access, data breaches, and malicious exploitation by irresponsible individuals who seek to use this information for selfish and often illegal purposes. This will impact how users will be using this particular product, as not having a secure and reliable security communication will hinder them from using it on a regular basis. This also raises concern about the data integrity, confidentiality, and availability of the product, as it is one of the aspect or all of the aspect that should be focused more, especially in the cybersecurity industry. Traditional encryption method that is widely used, like AES encryption, were effective to some extent, mainly for short providing adequate support against the upcoming and upcoming cyber attack, which is becoming more better. And furthermore, compared with the rise of quantum computing, also pose a new era of computing where the quantum computing have much more power in terms of computing power, so it will tend, so it can harm the classical encryption algorithm, so making them more vulnerable later on against the quantum computing. So as a solution that is proposed by me, I believe that the best way to enhance security for Google Drive is to implement uh, a safe drive. Because for me, I want to implement a platform called Safe Drive, a specialized encryption platform tailored for Google Drive. SafeDrive integrates hybrid cryptography technique, combine traditional semantic encryption with post-quantum cryptography algorithm to provide more protection. The traditional semantic encryption algorithm to be used is AES encryption earlier, and the post-quantum cryptographic algorithm, which in the name is NTLU NTLU encrypt is a post-quantum cryptographic algorithm known for its resistance to quantum attack, making it the best candidate to securely share encryption key with users. NTLU encrypt is chosen for security due to its post-quantum security resilience against both classical and quantum attack, and it has a proven track record through extensive research and evaluation. Its competitive performance and efficiency compared to other algorithms, also with its standardization effort that is going on, make it a practical choice for ensuring long-term security in cloud storage system. Also, NTIU Encrypt is an open source platform, so it helps to provide transparency, accessibility, and potential for collaboration between experts and developers. So by leveraging NTIU Encrypt, SafeDrive integrated a balance between security, performance, and compatibility, ensuring the confidentiality and integrity of user data in the face of evolving cyber threats and technological advancement. So for the literature review, I'm going to go through all the algorithm and all algorithm that we use. First one is the semantic encryption algorithm. Next here is AES. to improve its efficiency and proven security. It also offers cloud encryption capability and is suitable for securing data at rest in cloud storage systems like SAFER. However, AES may be susceptible to potential attack from quantum computer in the future, prompting the need for post-quantum cryptographic solution to post-quantum verification is now to focus on is the NPL encrypt. NPL encrypt is a lattice-based cryptographic algorithm that offers resistance against attack from both classical and quantum computer. Its security is based on the difficulty of solving certain mathematical lattices, making it the best candidate for ensuring long-term security in cloud storage system like safe. The objective, there will be three objectives for this project. First is to study the current cloud-based encryption platform that is used for fast and existing post-quantum cryptography algorithm. Next is to design and develop a cloud-based encryption platform specifically for files with the addition of integrating post-quantum cryptography algorithm. And the final one is to validate the result by conducting security performance testing. Let's move into the scope. There are about five scopes that we will focus on. The first one is the stakeholder in this project will be Google Drive, as the technology this project focus on is Google Drive and therefore will be Google Drive. Next is the safe drive will cover only basic functionality like file encryption, decryption, and the secure sharing between user in Google Drive. We will not delve furthermore into the complicated part, or it will just focus on the basic of the project. This is the safe drive will be implementing semantic encryption, for this case AES algorithm, and also post-quantum cryptography algorithm like NPI encryption. That's all. There will be no others encryption method that will be used. So it will just keep it basic and only use two. And number four is the targeted user for this project will be internet user who want to secure the files in Google Drive. So anyone with an internet connection and a Google account can use this. Safe drive will also involve a certain amount of research into encryption technique and also the drop storage system that are available online, whether it's paid or free to use. We also require significant coding effort to develop the encryption algorithm, a little bit the user interface, and also the integration with Google API, which is most important. And testing will be important to ensure that the tools can be used and basically is trusted formula. Next is the project requirement. So for the software, the programming language that will be used is Python for the back-end side, for the logical side. And for the front-end side, I will be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next is the libbox library. Libbox library, I will be using a Python, specifically Python PyHawk, which can help me to integrate the cryptographic algorithm into the system, into the code. And the development tool that will be used is Visual Studio Code, which is a platform for coding. And it will help me to manage the code easier and help me to develop it much faster. And next is the benchmarking tool. I will be using OpenSSL speed to check on the speed of the SSL. And for the hardware, I'll be using general purpose computer. In this case, I will be using a laptop because I believe it will be the only equipment that will be needed is only a good laptop. And the technology algorithm that will be used, first and foremost is the AES algorithm, and next is the MPI algorithm. Next, then proceed is the benchmarking technique, which is help to see whether the product that I have created later on is as effective or more effective than the product that is available on the market by doing benchmarking to see whether the performance is to see which performance is better than the others. And next is a brute force attack method, which I believe that for any cybersecurity practitioner, the note is very important to know whether the product can handle brute force attack method. And for the network element that I will be focusing on is I will be monitoring the network, so I will see how long it will take to encrypt or decrypt the file, how long it will need to share. So I will be monitoring the latency and bandwidth. Next is the security element. As you know, it focuses on encryption integration method and also the security analysis of the product. So for the project type, I believe this is a development type project, even though there's a little bit of research to be conducted. But most of all it will be developing the application itself. So for the project area, it is security and cryptography. This is an example of a product that is available on the internet, which is cryptomatter. Cryptomatter have this, I believe, it's the same functionality like the like the apps that I proposing to do, but it only use an AES algorithm only without having the quantum quantum cryptographic algorithm. So I believe that by putting the quantum, it will help to fortify the product even more, and I will be only focusing on doing the decryption and decryption part only. Thank you for listening to my proposal presentation. And that is all for me. Thank you.